Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how to do software automation testing using Selenium IDE as Firefox add-ons. So watch the video till to the end. You will get the all clear idea about software automation testing using Selenium IDE, and you can do that same thing after watching the full video. So today's topics is I divided in three parts. First thing we'll do install Selenium IDE add-ons, then I'll record a script, then execute a script, and I'll use the open source demo website URL for that testing purpose. So in order to do that, first open Firefox browser. So then go to google.com, then type Selenium IDE Firefox add-ons, then hit enter. So when you will get there, you will get the first link Selenium IDE, get the extension for Firefox. Click over there. Now if your Selenium IDE add-ons installed already, then you will not see this tab add to Firefox. That means Selenium IDE is not installed. In order to install, you need to click over here, add to Firefox. Click here. It is asking the permission. Click add. It is already added. You can click OK. So your Selenium, you see in the taskbar over here. Also you can see Selenium IDE. Also you can verify. Go to the three open application menu. Then go to add-ons and themes. Then you see Selenium IDE is added and also pinned. So here you can navigate to the Selenium IDE. So click Selenium in this taskbar. Click over here. Selenium IDE is open. You can make it bigger. Let me close the browser, then you can make it bigger so that you can see clearly what is going on. First thing, it is asking couple of things. What would you like to do? Record a new test in a new project, open an existing project, create a new project, close Selenium IDE. These four things you can do that. So we'll do the first thing, record a new test in a new project. Click over here. It is asking project name. You can input your project name based on your testing. I'll do over here project 1 for the testing purpose. Click OK. Then it is asking the URL, application URL, whatever we mentioned before. Let me copy from here, copy, and just paste it over here. Then start recording. As soon as you click start recording, it will open the Firefox and start recording. Start recording. You see Firefox open, and bottom of the browser you see Selenium IDE is recording. That's the message. Now we'll do login over here. Login user ID is admin and password is admin123. Once you enter user ID and password, click login. It is logged in already. Then you will go to the user drop down in the top right corner. Click in the drop down and then click log out. Once it is log out, it is navigated again login page. Once it is there, then click close the browser. That means we did open the browser, sign in with user ID and password. Once it is signed in, then we did the log out. You see IDE recording button till is on. So we need to stop that. Now it is asking test name. Let me put test name is IDE test. Then hit OK. It is our test. You see here is the command, all the command and what is the target. You can insert your custom command over here too. Let's say once browser is open, let's say once it is logged out, we'll put one custom message over here. Right click, insert new command, select, we'll put the command. Once you will in the command drop down, it will give you the option. We'll put the echo command. We'll just, it is like a system out.println command for the Selenium WebDriver. We'll do the target application logout successfully. That message we need to print in the console in the log after running that. Now give me some overview about the Selenium IDE window. Here is, you see the button run all test. If you have multiple tests, you can run all it together. Then there is a run current test. Which test is open, you can run that one. Thereafter step over. Step over basically, if you put the on the debugging perspective, if you put any breakpoint, it will go to that point and then you need to click step over, then it will move further. Thereafter there is a, you see the clock button, test execution speed. Click the drop down. It is the fastest speed by default selected. If you like application loading takes time, you could do the little bit slower so that it will work fine. It is basically in the left side setup for the window, and go to right side. If you see recording, as we saw that if you want to record more, then record. Thereafter here is 3. This one left side, if you mouse over here, it will give you the option what it is. First one is the create new project that we did. Thereafter open project, then save it, save the project. Thereafter disable breakpoint. Then is the pause on exception. If any exception, you can pause over there too. So let me run that script. Run. It is running. Firefox browser open. Input username password, then login. Once it is login, it is clicking log out, then it will close the browser. Let me see the log. You see we put the message, output message in the log, IDE test echo application logout successfully, and thereafter everything is okay. You see the green tick mark, all the step. Thereafter IDE test completed successfully. This is the way you can do your automation testing using Selenium IDE. Now I showed Firefox add-ons. It has the Chrome add-ons too. You can use any browser. And also you can export this script into Selenium WebDriver script. If you go to the test name, there is a 3-dot button. Click over here, export. You can export any language like C#, NUnit, XUnit, Java JUnit, JavaScript, Mocha, Python, PyTest, all other languages. You can export this script and take it to the editor like Eclipse IDE. Then you can run as a Selenium WebDriver test script. I'm not showing in this video because I have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description. You can take a look how to export that and run from the Eclipse IDE. I believe that's all for today's tutorial, and I think it will be helpful those who wants to learn Selenium IDE for automation testing. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.